Morning, everybody, and happy Monday to my favorite readers, writers, mathematicians, artists, scientists, and engineers. Today is April 6th, 2020. We will be working on our CVC words, proper sentence structure, compound sentences, and number stories. We are finally on our purple words. So, our sight words of the week are be, me, she, and he. Today is Monday, so we would have had art. So please check out Mrs. DeSorti's School Wires page to see what she will have you do today. I love and miss you all tons. Love, Miss Cacciano. Remember, it is up to you and your choices to make today great. So let's take a look at this slide. We know that this month is April. So if this month is April, what month was last month? Last month was March. And if this month is April, what is next month going to be? Next month will be May. How many months are in a year? There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Here's our quarter. Our quarter is worth how many cents? 25 cents. And we would need how many to make $1? 4. This is our dime, and a dime is worth 10 cents, and we would need 10 dimes to make $1. Here's our nickel. Our nickel is worth 5 cents, and we would need 20 nickels to make $1. Our digital date is 4/6/20. We know that April is the 4th month of the year. This is our date, and 20 is from 2020, the year that we are in. Now, how many days are in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If today is Monday, what was yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. And if today is Monday, what will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Tuesday. The season we are in is spring. If we are in spring, what was last season? Last season was winter. And if we're in spring right now, what is next season going to be? Next season will be summer. Spring, summer, winter, fall. There are 4 seasons in all. And what is another name for fall? It is autumn. So let's take a look at our weather for today. Oh, well, first we will go to your March, or I'm sorry, oh my goodness, I really have to get used to it being April, huh? Go to your April calendar, and you should have the 3rd filled in from Friday. The weekend, Saturday was the 4th. Yesterday, Sunday, was the 5th. Today is the 6th. So make a 6 on your April calendar. Down and around, make a loop. 6 is like a hula hoop. Now let's check out our weather. Our weather for tomorrow should be sunny and 65 degrees. So I'm going to put sunny on our calendar. And let's look at our thermometer over here. And we're going to raise it to 65. I'm going to count by 2s as I look at each dash. 2, 4, and right between here should be 65. And our color changed to yellow. So it's getting a little bit warmer outside. If you can, get some sunlight and get outside. It's going to be a beautiful day today. Meteorologists, you can go ahead and color in sunny on your weather graph. SUNNY, sunny. And then head to Calendar Kale. It is the 136th day of school. You were 136 days smarter than you were on the first day. Everybody kiss your brains. I cannot believe that there are only 44 days of school left. So let's take a look at our hundreds, tens, and ones counting the days chart. Here is 136. We have 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticks in our ones column. If we have the number 6 here, how many more do we need to have the proper amount of sticks? We need 1 more. Let's double check and count that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in our tens column, we have the number 3. We have 3 bundles, and each bundle is worth 10 sticks. 10, 20, 30, and that's why the number 30 is up here. In our hundreds column, we have the number 1, and we have 10 bundles that are worth 10, that have 10 sticks in them. Let's count each bundle by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we have 100 here, which is why 100 is on top, plus 30 plus 6 equals 136. So you could go ahead and trace that on your yellow page, or I'm sorry, it's not yellow anymore, it's all white. So go ahead and just trace 136 and then head to your shoe page. On Friday, you should have colored 1 shoe, and that was all by itself. Now this shoe is going to be completing a pair, and you have 2 of something. 2 of something means it is a pair. And if you are making a pair, it means today is even. So hey, Even Steven. Thanks for joining us today, Even Steven and Odd Todd. We will see you tomorrow. So let's go ahead and count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now you may go to your 10 frame page, add 1 dot. So you should have 6 dots in that 10 frame. And let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now go to your tally page and you're going to start a new box and add that 1 tally, because Friday you got to slide on down because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits the floor. So today your tally is going to be all by itself in a new box. And now we can count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now let's check out our 2D shapes and our 3D shapes. Here is our circle. Our circle has 0 sides, 0 vertices, 1 curved line. Here is our rectangle. It has 4 sides, 4 vertices. Here's our pyramid. Pyramid, pyramid. What's your clue? You look like the house the Egyptians walked through. And here is, I hope we didn't do hemisphere on Thursday. Let's do semicircle. Semicircle, semicircle. What's your clue? Look up at the sky. You're the shape of the moon. And let's do one more. Sphere. Sphere, sphere. What's your clue? You look like a soccer ball I kick with my shoe. Now we have completed our calendar and morning meeting. Let's take a look at our week at a glance. So today for Monday, there's going to be a foundations video that I have on my school wires, and then you can just practice your sight words, he, she, be, and me. So you can just spell them, say them. You may write them in a notebook if you want, but that is not needed. So we're also going to be starting those little paragraphs that we have with all the black dots that are underneath each word. I will be sure to send you a picture of what it looks like on Remind so everybody's on the same page. And it is called the rainbow. So you're also going to see four shamrocks on the top right corner, and that is for each time you read the rainbow, you are going to color in one shamrock. So you can color it, or I'm sorry, you can read it once every day until Friday, and Friday you can answer those questions. So that paper will not need to be submitted until Friday. So you can do the back and answer the questions on the front. Writer's Workshop. You will have the real word and nonsense word sentences to complete, and then you may write a compound sentence in or on your paper that says Writer's Workshop on top. Then we are still going to use the March number stories. I know it's April now. I'm still going to play around with getting my April number stories onto Seesaw for you guys to complete on there. And for the meantime, let's just make sure we can use up those number stories and they'll be useful for this week until the 10th. So we'll be using those. Let me take a look for the reminders. The reminders are that they will have four books that will be assigned to them, and then just have them completed by Friday, please. And I think that is about it. So I'm not sure if Mrs. Pasculjan will be sending out another email for School Spirit Week. Just take a look at your email just in case there are any sort of announcements from our school or from the district. And I believe that's all. So I hope you all have a fabulous day. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out on me. And I will see you in our Foundations video. Bye-bye.